Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and here's a little bit of news for Windows users that are in Windows 8 for July 5th, 2014. So what is the latest news? What's happening? Well, first of all, we are talking about a little bit of news about Windows 9, which is codenamed Threshold at this time. And the first item is that Microsoft is thinking of maybe not calling it Windows 9 actually. So we're not sure it's going to be Windows 9 or not for the name. And what we know is that pretty much everything is now, everyone's agreeing that the start menu, the good old start menu, will not appear in Windows 8. It will be only part of Windows 9, and it won't be a start menu like we used to have. They are bringing back a start menu, but it will be different. It will work in a different way apparently. One of the things that we know is that when you install Windows 9 or Threshold, it will detect the type of PC you have. If it's a touch device or a good old PC with mouse and keyboard or desktop, and will install the proper version of Windows 9, the one with a start menu for people that are in the good old Windows or good old computers, desktops, and laptops with no touch capability. And people that are using tablets or touch devices will have a different Windows 9 experience, which will be touch oriented. What the start menu will look like, we're not really sure, but apparently it won't be exactly like a start menu that we used to have before, but will of course have a lot of the capabilities apparently of the start menu. So if you're in Windows 8 and you were waiting for an update or the update 2 in August for that start menu, well, sorry, it won't be there. If you're using Windows 8 and missed that start menu, go and get Classic Shell. Great piece of software that brings back a good old start menu and desktop experience like we had before. Another piece of news is that a lot of people can't upgrade to Windows 8.1 from the Microsoft Store, and that has been a problem for some users. And so a lot of users that wanted to go to Windows 8.1 couldn't, and basically if the update or the install failed from the Microsoft Store, there wasn't much that you could do about it. Well, if you're in Windows 8 and want to upgrade to Windows 8.1, starting July 1st, apparently that some users have seen Windows 8.1 update appear in the updates, in the Windows updates. So if you go into Windows updates and check for updates, you might actually see one called Windows 8.1. So if you are one of those people that couldn't upgrade to 8.1 from the store, why not try it through Windows Update? And you can go, of course, to Windows Update if you have it in the Charms bar. Just type Windows Update, and you will go check for updates, and you should see, hopefully, Windows 8.1 in there. I'm not sure if it's an optional install. Probably is an optional install, so check for optional installs. If you see Windows 8.1, try to update it from there if you can't from the store. Another piece of news, update 2 coming August 2014. From what we think is that it's going to be pushed with the general updates the second Tuesday of August. So check for that. What it's going to bring, actually, we weren't sure actually. Since there's no start menu coming back, we're just wondering what kind of updates will be sent with that update 2. Maybe a little more security and bug fixes more than anything else. From the more we hear about it, the less important it seems to be as an update, but it is a big update, so we'll see. Update 2 requires you to have Windows 8.1 Update 1. So it's very important if you are at Windows 8.1, make sure you are at Update 1 to get that Update 2. It's very important. So that's pretty much the news that we have for now. And hopefully we'll have more of those news and good news or bad news or all sorts of news on Windows 8. More and more people actually that I've seen are actually enjoying Windows 8 as they're learning how to use it, especially at 8.1, which did improve the user experience a lot. And like I said, you miss the real start menu, just go and download Classic Shell and you should be quite happy, I think, with that experience. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, maybe you have a feature of Windows 8 you'd like us to make a video of, let us know. We'll try to put it online. And hopefully you will come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.